Well, on the hill tonight, making his major league debut will be Hayden Birdsong.
Pitch of the game and of his career, and he pours it in for a strike. Chases on the ground. Chapman picks it up, throws, dug out by Villar, and that's how this game gets started. First pitch is check swing foul.
Squad.
There's 2-2 pitch. Just a bit high.
He's here tonight.
Got him.
And that's his first big league strikeout.
By the way, those in the 0-1 is down low.
Book strike zone.
To Bellinger, and Bellinger takes it. And a high. Shallow left. And it's Conforto. The first pitch to Suzuki. Here's the strike. Lifts this one to center field. Ramos broke back, but now he comes in. And he makes the catch. And he takes a bit off the plate. Pretty close.
Yeah, he's not
very high. It's and a strike.
Yep.
So the first base
right there.
This one gets away from Birdsong and certainly gets away from Patrick Bailey.
6'4".
But not here.
Well, he's a hard.
Swing and a miss. Got him.
On the ground towards the hole. It'll get through. Here comes Happ into the plate. He's coming in to score. Morrell dives into third. It's an RBI single for Pete Crow Armstrong.
Amaya skies one to center field. And that's going to end the inning. It's a 3-1 left. This is foul down the 0-2 pitch, runs inside. It's
which is start giving you advice. I came into a game.
Imagine that. Wrapped on the ground. Chapman is going to make the play and hurt himself. Here's Bush, who bounces one the other way for a base hit. Out in the first. Here he takes down low.
This becomes a.
And he gets the hot.
The rule book strike zone.
Foul back. Got him.
Beautiful.
And this one is fouled. Outside, a snap throw. Well, you know, VR also has. Out to Matos in right field. Matos will make the play. Swing and a miss.
Nice play.
Got him.
Resort. Go to sfgiants.com/magic.
Man, I don't know if
He looks good.
just outside.
Nobody would score on him. That didn't.
Well, you get that one is a rocket fair inside the bag at third. Conforto plays a carry. Morrell's going to test him. Here's the throw and not in time.
San Francisco is challenging the safe call at second base.
Yeah, he's out.
I think his hand came off the bag and Tyro still had the tag there.
After review, the call on the field is overturned. The runner is out.
Strada.
Good challenge by the Giants. And a ball to hole.
So Patrick, and you 3. Giants, you might bypass that one. Save it.
Swanson to center field, carrying pretty well out there. Ramos, though, has room. 2 down. Ball 1.
It's between Double-A and Triple-A.
3 and 2. And he couldn't throw a strike.
There goes the runner, and base hit out into left center. PCA, they're going to send him. Pete Crow Armstrong to the plate, and he's in. He scores from first on a single.
First third time seeing him.
Here to jump ahead 0-1. Now a fastball. It's a little comebacker past the mound. Wisely steps on second to get the force out there.
See.
Michael Busch against Birdsong, and to him. He does, and he strikes him out. Ball 1 to Bellinger. But some of those big misses. Bellinger. That few innings in the minor leagues. Lincecum making his 2.
But Brian.
Bellinger on the ground. Chapman playing him well, and he throws him out. 2 down.
He was fun.
Oh, just a few notes of it, and you think of Tim. He throws. 2-2. A check swing foul. On the ground, softly hit. 2-2. Changeup taken low.
Birdsong fires. In the air, center field, hammered. Ramos back. That one on its way. Gone. And it's 3-3. Seiya Suzuki will touch them all.